commit to having Biden's doctor field questions from the press when it comes to his mental acuity. Here with the reaction is GOP Congressman and doctor himself, Mark Green. Congressman, great to see you. First off, do you think at this point the American people need to hear from his doctor?
I think with all the incredible gaffes and, loss of focus that the president's had on international media when he was in Vietnam, that incident, I think we need to know the report on his mental condition. This is the hardest job in the world, being president of the United States. We need someone whose faculties are 100% on all the time, and it doesn't look like this guy's are. And, even from a physician's standpoint, the symptoms, the way he speaks, the pressured speech sometimes, it's not appropriate, and we need to know.
When you remember how long Ronnie Jackson, when he was Dr. Ronnie Jackson, took questions about President Trump's health, went on for 45 minutes.
Yep.
So
yeah, Ronnie has been leading the charge on this. He's had multiple letters demanding the president release his, dementia test or his mental capacity tests.
So we got to talk about the border, and you're going to look to impeach Mayorkas as early as today. But I want to talk about the crisis. What about this? That app that this administration came up with so people can register to come across our border legally, it's been accessed 64 million times. This is as we're trying to get to the bottom of why our border's been flooded, and it's not climate change. Would we agree on that? Could that be the problem here?
100%. Yeah, no, look, all they've done is subvert the laws written by Congress and create mechanisms where people can get instant parole, and that is absolutely against the Immigration and Nationality Act. And that CBP One app that you're talking about, I mean, the coyotes and the drug cartels just fill it out for an extra fee. I mean, it's absolutely absurd.
Will you look to impeach Mayorkas today, and will you do it if Steve Scalise is not there?
So the vote will happen today. We're voting today, and as I understand it, Steve is en route to come to D.C. and vote. And it was 215, add Scalise. We make history today.
And lastly, Mike Gallagher, have been able to persuade him. I know he's now retiring. I know he's your friend, and he kind of surprised you with his vote. Yeah. Is anything changing on the no votes, McClintock or Gallagher?
No, I don't think any of those guys are going to back off their no. I mean, they're principled guys. They just are clinging to the wrong idea of what impeachment is right now, and I don't think there's any persuading them. Mike has even said he's not running for re-election, and I think probably because of all the pressure he got after his vote. So I don't think he'll change his vote, no.
All right, Congressman, it's going to be a busy day, and I just hope Steve Scalise not only votes but is okay. I know he's going through a lot right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Meanwhile,
Thanks,
with this
Brian.
cancer treatment.